And hello there, 30 Minutes friends and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the latest classes that went out for 30 Minutes Fantasy. We have the Liber Wizard. Yes, as you can see, this is from Liber. It is a wizard type, and it's some stuff as evident in the box art. And I'm guessing ice because the projectiles and stuff. But yes, off to the side, we see that. Yes, this is the silhouette, and of course, this is the armor. And right up, it's a silhouette 3. So we already have the silhouette 1, which was used for the knight, the priest, the lancer, the assassin, I guess also the archer. Silhouette 2 was for the fighter, and now it's silhouette 3. I guess the difference is waist. I don't know, we can see later on. And of course, the element core is present there, as well as it can be in job change into an enchanter or a sorcerer. Off to the other side, yes, we can see it, the front and back, some information about 30 Minutes Fantasy there. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we get one bag with all white and all, what's this, grayish, dark gray, yeah. Second bag with all that gray over there. Third bag with some blue, dark gray, some white. Other bag is a clear blue here. Some of the dark gray and a light brownish gray here. Multicolored sprues and some light or rather clear blue sprues there. And of course the instruction manual where yes, it is really revealed to be an ice core, ice elemental core. So Liber Wizard is an ice elemental core, and that's what you can see when fully built. And of course, you can job change it to a sorcerer or an enchanter. And of course, here it is again, telling you that it is a silhouette tree. So it says it's tall and slender. Huh. Alright, so meaning it's a tall and slender type. Alright, so it's different from Silhouette 1, which is the standard one. Silhouette 2, which is, more stout, more bigger. And this is so more taller and slender. Anyway, let's take a look individually at the screws. So first off is the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have a clear blue, some light blue here, and some of the grayish, the black grayish parts here. Similar to the other silhouettes, still similar. We have the B sprue here, again, still similar with the other silhouette parts. We also have a C sprue here, different color, but still similar to the silhouette parts of the past. We also have a D1 here, once again, similar to the silhouettes until D2. D2, again, E1 here. I guess E1 is also similar. No, E1 here is a different one because it will says here silhouette 3. Alright. Same with E2, I guess. Yep.